Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation for my 2021 Toyota RAV4. From the company Mercylion, we have a dashcam. I'm going to show you the process, installation, and we're going to put it to the test. So let's get to it. This dashcam goes under the rear view mirror. So you're going to be able to put it in there. Not a lot of people's going to see it. It's a really good dashcam. I already opened it because I'm trying to figure it out, the wiring, and it's really simple. If you want your dashcam to be powered at all times, like when it detects movement, you're gonna need to put some wires under the hood and the ACC fuse, and it's really simple. Yellow wire is going to the battery, red wire goes under the dash to the ACC connector, and the black is the ground, goes to the negative of the battery. The other end, it goes to the camera. That's gonna be kind of like the hard wiring if you want your camera to work at all times. When your car is off, that's gonna be the best option, because if your car is off and something happens, somebody hit it, somebody tried to get inside, camera is gonna be on. And the other way is gonna be the easy way. You put it under the rear view mirror and you just plug it in here, and this goes under the mirror. And you're gonna have the USB if you wanna plug it into your computer and see all the footage, and a little tool to remove what's on the RAV4 right now. We're gonna download the app so we can start using it, and all the information is right here on your user manual. Right here under your mirror, you're gonna have this cover. It's two pieces like on the new one. To remove it, you're gonna have to press in these little tabs and pull this part out. And it's kind of difficult to show you. I'm not gonna be able to show you in there because it's kind of difficult. So you just push it down. Once you push it down, you're gonna move it like that, so you can put your finger on the back and try to put the little black piece out. And it's difficult, but I'm gonna show you once I remove it. Okay, this part is out, and like I said, once you push it down, you know how to put your finger inside, so you can push on this little tab. You push it to the outside of the plastic, and this one the same way, push it that way out, so you can remove this little cover, slide it out, and this part is gonna come out. So this is the stock part. Now we're gonna do the same on the new one. If you want to do the hard wire, which is recommended because your new dashcam is gonna be hot at all times and it's gonna record even when your RAV4 is off, you're gonna have to extend the red wire. Why? Because the ACC fuse is underneath and you're not gonna have enough cable to go to the battery on this too. So I'm just gonna show you this part. I'm gonna have to do this later because I'm gonna have to extend this, and right here it has a fuse and here it has a fuse. So you're gonna have to extend this wire, the red one. The connection for the dash cam, you're gonna have to bring it from down there and remove this cover so you can pull your cable all the way in through here, under here, and it's gonna go directly to your camera. It's gonna be the best way. Nobody's gonna see it, but like I said, I'm just guiding you on how to do this wire right now because I'm gonna have to extend it. Once you remove your cover, you have this connector. Push on the clip and pull it out. This connector is gonna go to this one if you want to do it this way. This white one is gonna go to the stack connection right there. Make sure it clips in place, and the other side is gonna be this one, goes to the connector that you remove, which is this one. And this wire is gonna go with your wire harness on the connector, this one. so you can run your cables all the way to the battery. If you can see right there, all my connections are done, and this connection to the camera is done. Now you can hide these cables in there and just slide back your new camera and hide all those cables. Camera is in place, cover is in place. I already put the SD card in it. We're ready to download the app and start working with this camera. And if you're gonna extend that cable, you're gonna have to go through the firewall. Right there, down there, there is a grommet where you can go through. There is wire harness under. It's kind of hard to see from here, but under that brake booster you have a grommet. You can go through there and connect negative positive and run your cable to the ACC fuse under the dash. iPhone and Android, take a picture, go to the app store, download the app. Everything is working already. Once everything is done, you have to turn on your camera and Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna be able to go and just follow the steps so you can get everything set up. I turn the power on. This camera is good because you're gonna have even voice activation. You can see the blue lights blinking. Now let's go and set everything up. Let's go to here and we go to the Wi-Fi and we start working on the Wi-Fi. Is this Mercylion. It's gonna ask you for the password. Password is 12345678 and you're already connected to your camera. Now let's move to the app again. And there you go. The camera still has the blue film in it. That's why it looks like that. Let me remove it, but everything works as it's supposed to. Let me remove the film so we can start driving around. I have the camera recording right now in 4K. If you go to the settings right here, you're gonna see everything. Well, you have to stop it, stop recording, then you can go to settings and you're gonna see everything about it. The loop recording is gonna be every 3 minutes. It's gonna start recording. It has a G sensor. Record size is 3840, 2160, 25 frames per second. You can turn microphone sound, show day and time. This one WDR, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna turn them on. And you have the camera settings. Parking is on. Time lapse rate is gonna be 5. So when your RAV4 is off, you're still gonna be able to record. And then here you can reset the whole system and go back to stock the way you get it. Microphone, you can turn it on and off. You can take pictures and video and folders. You're gonna have your folders right here of what you've been recording. Really easy to get to. Once you get to the app and do the whole process is gonna be really easy, and the camera quality looks really good. Let's put it like that, and you're gonna be able to start recording whenever you like. You have the 2 buttons in here as well on the camera. And there you have it, guys. This is the new dashcam for my RAV4, a 5th generation. Mine is 2021 Toyota RAV4. Easy installation, but on the cables, that one you're gonna have to extend it if you wanna have your camera to work all the time. And I'm gonna leave the link in the description for the Mercylion dashcam for the RAV4 if you wanna get it for yours. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.